Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome to our channel TimeIT Investor. Today is 10th of July. Okay, so I think yesterday market was very range bound. Okay, a little bit of dynamic. Okay, so let's quickly check exactly what I'm expecting from Nifty today. And this was surprise, guys. I think I will be sharing my swing trade plan as well today. Okay, so for one of the stock. Okay, let's quickly check. All right. So, I think Nifty was widely working within our range only. You can see this was a range which we created, and this was a support zone. So it decisively break this support, okay, with the big gap up as well over here. It was keep increasing. So when I checked the chart, okay, in the evening, I thought कि ये यार decisively 25,500 break कर ही देगा आज, okay. सो अगर ये 25,500 डिसल ब्रेक किया होता तो मेरे ऑर्डर ट्रिगर हो गया था ऑटोमेटिकली, बट उसने प्रॉपरली ब्रेक नहीं किया 25,500। और इसलिए मैंने कल के वीडियो में भी बोला था कि इट कैन बी बुल ट्रैप। ओके, ये बुल ट्रैप हो सकता है। ये हम सबको बोलेंगे चलो भाई खरीदो खरीदो, ओके, और एट द एंड इट विल टेक द रिवर्सल। ओके, एंड दिस व्हाट वी सॉ। ओके, it went up about 25,500, okay, but not decisive breakout. And later we can see that by end of the day it gave sharp downtrend over here. It almost went to our selling territory of 25,300, okay, but again from here again it bounced back a bit. Okay, so as expected market is quite volatile, and it is expected guys ताकि अभी न्यूज़ चल रही है based upon tariff. Okay, so जब तक ये tariff का proper direction मिलेगा नहीं, I think we can expect this kind of volatility. So I think be careful guys upon what exactly you guys are planning in terms of trading. Keep strict stop loss, okay, and it's better if you don't even trade, that is also fine. Okay, so I will cover that. So what is expectation for today? So I think you might already heard that tariff is proposing to impose some tariff on pharma for 200%, and then 50% on copper, and then reciprocal tax on all the BRIC nation. Okay, I will cover that in next slide. सो इतने 200% टैरिफ अगर फार्मा पे लगता है, ओके, सो ऑफ कोर्स हमारा फार्मा इंडस्ट्री विल बी हिट, क्योंकि ऑलमोस्ट $10 बिलियन के अराउंड हमारा ट्रेड होता है फार्मा में वगैरह। ओके, सो ऑल दिस थिंग्स आई थिंक विल क्रिएट अ नेगेटिव सेंटिमेंट, बट देयर इज अ सिल्वर लाइनिंग टू दिस एज वेल। जैसे कि गुड न्यूज़ ये भी है कि जो ट्रेड डेल 9 जुलाई को कंक्लूड होना थी, ओके, वो उसकी डेडलाइन उन्होंने पुश कर दिया 31 जुलाई। सो दैट डेडलाइन इज पुश टू 31 जुलाई फॉर कंक्लूडिंग द preliminary trade deal with India and US. So I don't know how market will take this up, okay, but I think my levels will remain same because today is a market expiry, Nifty expiry as well for Nifty. So my plan will remain same guys as earlier. Okay, if it breaches below 25,300 or 250, then this is a strong support level. I will be expecting a bounce back, and I will sell the P position. Okay, so that will be my plan. I will not be bullish. Okay, like I always mention, till I'm satisfied with the tariff direction. Okay, so I will play safe. So but people who wanted to do the intraday trading, they should not enter unless we get a 15 minutes bullish candle over 25,500. Okay, and it should take support at 25,500. Then only we can see it can go to the upward of 24,625. For the for the downward side, okay, the moment it reaches 25,000 380 or 350, I think bearish zone will enter. Safer side, I will enter if it is below 25,300 for the lower target of 25,270. That will be there, but I will be creating a contra position by selling an P option, because at this level I'm expecting a bounce back around 25,270 to 300. Okay, so that position I will put up an trigger order for the same. Okay. Okay, so let's quickly check with the trading plan. So like I mentioned, this will be my trading plan. Nifty below 25,250 at 25,150 P, and at the sell side, and then I will hedge it with 24,800 P. Okay, but I will also check if premiums are good, because जब से I think that Jan Street का issue हुआ है guys, liquidity काफ़ी कम हो गई है market में, okay, हम लोग देख सकते हैं, और VIX भी काफ़ी कम है। Okay, so VIX is also very low, so we might not be getting good premium options, So if the premium values are not good at that level, even after market coming to 25,250 level, I will not see this as an good risk reward ratio to enter into this trade. Okay, so I will leave this trade. But on the flip side, yesterday, like I mentioned, my main trading is in the swing trades. Okay, so I saw a good opportunity on LNT side. Okay, I think over the weekend, and I have already placed some trigger order for that. So on that level, I have taken this options selling plan. Okay, so here we can see that I have sell and find a 3500 PE option, and I hedged it with 3360. Okay, so I'm expecting strong support at 3500. Okay, so if I keep it for a whole month, I will be earning almost 10% profit. So you can see we are already in 1000 profit over here. So even though if I'm able to get 2500 today itself, okay, so which will be almost on 2.5 to 3%, then I will be exiting this position. Okay, this market is dicey, and a simple bounce today as well, that will allow me to book the 2500 profit, then I will exit. Okay, so okay, I think this is mistake. I think guys, please ignore this below comment. Okay, market gap up. Okay, so moving to this PCR data. So you can see that FIs are being very cautious. They have only bought 77 crore of stocks, and 921 crore stock is being purchased by DII. But in the index side, they are maintaining bearish position. In both call side and put side, they are maintaining the bearish position. Okay, PCR भी 0.7 है. अगर PCR 0.7, I think it can go till 0.5 as well today. Today being an Nifty expiry, I can expect the volatility, and you can see the increase call option. So you can see this bar, okay, with these lines. This means that addition of call option at 25,500. Okay, and you see this blank over here. This means that they have winded their put sell position. This means that they are no longer trusting that 25,400 is a good support level, and it can fall. But on the counter side, you can see that 25,000, the position put position has been added. Okay, so most of the market thinks that 25,000 is a good support level. Okay, so we are keeping the 25,200 as a good support level based upon my analysis. So I'm expecting market to play around between 25,200 to 25,500 today as well, guys. Okay, so be careful on this part for people who are doing intraday trading. Okay, so important news to cover. I think tariff on pharma 200%, 50% tariff on copper, 10% on break data action 31st July, as discussed earlier. So guys, if you want me to create a separate swing trading strategy based upon this tariff, do let me know in comments, guys, because I'm still trying to evaluate my customer base, okay, or my viewer base, who in which you are interested. If you are interested into swing trade, so please comment and subscribe. So accordingly, I will start creating more videos on that, the way I have taken stock trade in LNT. Okay, I rarely take any option trade in stocks until some opportunity persists. Okay, so this is one of the opportunity LNT. So I'm having a couple of more stock which is on my radar. Okay, if we get a good feedback or comments and subscription, I think then I will post that my strategies and my videos, okay, of the stock today only. Okay, because we don't have much of the time until this tariff things is going on. We need to grab that opportunity for the greater return, guys. Okay, so please comment and let me know what are your thoughts on it. Okay, okay, so coming to my swing trade, so we can see this is LNT chart over here. Okay, so it was sharply falling yesterday. Okay, so this stock is stuck in range. Okay, this is a 1 hour chart. So I'm expecting a good support at 3500. So guys, so whenever the capex spending of our country will increase, okay, and which I'm expecting it will increase, okay, considering that काफी interest rate भी कम हो गए हमारे यहाँ पे, and I think government is asking banks to distribute loan widely, okay, or to the government banks. So what will happen? This capital intensive businesses like L&T, Adani, and all these guys, okay, they will make use of this opportunity to take the loan and expand the business. Okay, because these are capital intensive business, guys. Okay, L&T and Adani ports. Okay, so they are working on very big projects. Okay, maybe defense projects, port projects, all this. So that required capital. Okay, liquidity was an issue in our market. So after easing the CRR ratio and then asking government banks to give leeway in terms of bank loans, so companies like L&T, they will easily get the financing at lower interest rate. So the moment they are getting financing on lower interest rate, they already have the projects to work upon, so their profit margin will increase. So that is a main target over here. So short term, I'm expecting this stock to retest to 3,700, but long term, mostly I will be holding for a whole year, because my target will be around 4,300. Okay, that I will cover into the separate video. Okay, so I hope this data is useful to you guys. Please make use of it. Okay, thank you guys for your time. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and share as well, and do let me know in comments if you want me to make more videos on swing trade as well. Okay, thank you. Have a good profitable day today. See you today evening. Bye bye.